the device with power supply and have it ready to use for later. Then remove all your makeup with gentle makeup removing oil. Try to leave no makeup residues. Isn't it clean? Wipe all the lipsticks away, but be careful not to get anything inside the mouth. Then lather up your cleanser, or if you have instant foaming cleanser, you can use that directly as well. Evenly spread the foam all over the face. You can also add some water to your cleanser to help work into a lather. Then you can start cleansing with NM-SN7. Move the probe in circular motions, covering your cheeks, your forehead, then down to the nose and chin. Get all the impurities hidden inside the creases. Treatment should last around 2 minutes. Wipe or rinse the remaining foam off your face. Gently apply toner. If you're using a cotton pad like me, make sure you slide along gently. Then gently pat the toner into your skin. Drip a few drops of essence on the cheek, at the same time gently rubbing it into the skin. And do the same on your forehead, your cheek, chin, nose as well. You've prepped your skin, take out the device again and select ultrasound and the red LED. Stroke upwards in circular motions, start from chin, moving in parallel lines, do it 3 times. Other side, also move in circular motions. to the forehead from left to right, move in circular motions, do it 2 times. Move upwards to lift the treatment area to keep your skin tight and firm. A bit more essence if it dries up during the process. Do the same on the other side of the face. Slide towards the hairline on forehead. Go to the nose area, slide up and down the nose from one side to another 3 times. Start from Photon, sliding around the lips, circle around for 3 times. You can slap on a sheet mask, at the same time treat with ultrasound and blue LED to help skin absorb all the goodies and calm irritations or breakouts. Move from point to point, covering the entire face. Remove the mask after 15 minutes and wipe off the remaining essence. Clean the probe as well. Make sure the device is turned off before unplugging. Connect the EMS cables with the device and clip on the eye patch with the cable. Take off the plastic foam, but make sure you don't lose it because you'll need it later to paste the patch back on. Then place the patches on the intended treatment area. Make sure you clean the treatment area, for instance here the shoulders, in advance so that it stays on better. Then connect the power cable. Turn on the device and adjust energy level and mode that you feel most comfortable with. Treat each area for 20 minutes or so.